Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Korea, Japan. Google dropped 7 updates this month. Let's go through all of them. Let's get started. Okay, first one, Gemini. You know, when you are chatting with Gemini and you want to switch to Canvas or another tool, you have to start a whole new chat. That's gone. Now you can switch tools right in the middle of your conversation. Chat, Canvas, whatever you need. Gemini keeps the whole context. So you are writing a marketing plan in chat, you decide you want to visualize it, just select Canvas from the tool menu. Bam! No copy pasting, no starting over. Small change, but you will feel it every single day. So number 2, Google Vids. You can now generate original music inside Vids. No stock music, original music made by AI. The model is called Lyria 3. Open your Vids project, go to the side panel, and just describe what you want. Upbeat corporate background music, moderate tempo. Lyria 3 generates it in seconds, and you can drop it straight into your video. One click.
The ultimate Google Slides textbook. This video will explore the powerful features and techniques.
No copyright issues, no licensing, no searching through thousands of tracks. If you make training videos or presentations, this is a big time saver. Great. Number 3, NotebookLM. You know the slide generation feature? Upload your sources. NotebookLM creates a deck. The problem was, if slide 5 looked wrong, you had to regenerate all slides, the whole thing, just to fix one page. Now you can click on any single slide and tell NotebookLM to fix just that one. Make these bullet points more specific. Add an example here. Only that slide changes. Everything else stays. Finally, this is how it should have worked from the start. Number 4, also NotebookLM, big month for them. They added a new cinematic video mode. New cinematic video mode? Okay, NotebookLM already had video explanations, but they were pretty basic, functional. Cinematic video mode is completely different. The visuals are dynamic. It feels more like a documentary than a slideshow.
Before the sun comes up, your dispatch yard is loud, fast, and unforgiving. Structured, deliberate welcome shows that driver they are joining a reliable, organized operation. Finally, you must prepare the exact printed checklist of emergency contacts to hand out.
If you were creating content for clients or social media, try this mode. The quality jump is real. Number 5, NotebookLM again. Yes, there are 3 updates in 1 month. The infographic feature now has way more options. Timelines, comparison charts, process flows. The selection has increased dramatically. Same source material, completely different visual output depending on which style you pick. More choices, better results. That's it. Simple upgrade, but very useful. So number 6, this is my favorite one this month. Gmail now has Help Me Schedule. Here's how it works. You are writing an email. You want to set up a meeting? Click Help Me Schedule, and Gemini automatically checks your Google Calendar. It finds your free slots and suggests the available times. You can change the duration, 60 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you need. Gemini recalculates instantly. Here's the best part. You can put multiple links in one email. For a 30-minute call, click here. For a 60-minute meeting, click here. And the person clicking the link, they don't even need a Google account. Anyone can book time on your calendar. Is it amazing?
That's really great because normally you can only use those functions when you're using the same Google account.
Yes.
But it's a lot of people using Outlook or Microsoft 365. So that would be great.
Exactly. Anyone can book time on your calendar for free, no extra tools. Game changer. Last one, number 7. Personal Google users could already share Gemini conversations via link. But if you are on a Workspace account, blocked. Now admins can turn it on. Go to Admin Console, navigate to Generative AI, then Gemini app, scroll to Conversation Sharing, turn on Allow Conversation Sharing via link. You can also limit it to specific departments or groups if you want. Now your team can share great Gemini conversation with a simple link. No screenshots, no copy pasting. Gemini becomes a collaboration tool, not just a personal one. Great. So how was that? 7 updates for April 2026. My top 3 have me scheduled in Gmail, NotebookLM single slide editing, and Gemini tool switching. If you want to catch every Google Workspace update, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.